Model 2017 Peugeot Boxer 335 Professional L3H2 2.0 HDI needs head gasket Euro 6 No Vat. Body white, panel van. Mileage 143348. MOT the 9th of May 2026. Engine 1997 ccDW10 FUD. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Battery light on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, cruise control wrong, parking sensors,